Hello, grade 3. This is the model answer for the booklet, chapter 5, materials. Sue and Chris sort different materials. Draw a line to connect each object to the material it is made from. Here we have the objects and here we have the materials. Raincoat made from plastic. Worm coat made from wool. Book made from paper. Window made from glass. A worm coat is made from a material. Circle the correct answer. The material is worm coat made from wool. So wool is absorbent, insulator of heat, shiny, or waterproof. Wool is an insulator of heat. It keeps you warm. A raincoat is made from material. Circle the correct answer. The material is raincoat made from plastic. So plastic is absorbent, an insulator of heat, shiny, or waterproof. Plastic is waterproof. The table shows some materials found in Mr. Pattle's house. Tick the material which come from living things. Gold is a type of metal which comes from under the ground. Wood comes from trees, so it is made from living things. Diamonds type of rock which comes from under the ground. Silk comes from silkworm, so it is made from living things. Wool comes from sheep, so it is made from living things. Slate, type of rock, which comes from under the ground. Class 3 use a magnet to try to separate some mixtures. Pick to predict what they will find. One has been done for you. Here we have the mixtures and we will see each mixture can separate using a magnet or it cannot separate using a magnet. Wood chips and iron nails. Wood, non-magnetic material, so it will not be attracted to a magnet. Iron, magnetic material, it will be attracted to a magnet, so this mixture can separate using a magnet. Salt and sugar, salt non-magnetic material, sugar non-magnetic material, so both of them will not be attracted to a magnet, so this mixture cannot separate using a magnet. Copper bracelets and silver bracelets. Copper non-magnetic, silver non-magnetic material, both of them will not be attracted to a magnet, so this mixture cannot separate using a magnet. Iron powder and steel powder. Iron, magnetic material, steel, magnetic material, both of them will be attracted to a magnet, so this mixture cannot separate using a magnet. Steel bowls and glass bowls. Steel, magnetic material, it will be attracted to a magnet. Glass, non-magnetic material, it will not be attracted to a magnet, so this mixture can separate using a magnet. Silver coins and nickel coins. Silver, non-magnetic material, nickel, magnetic material. So silver will not be attracted to a magnet, while nickel will be attracted to a magnet, so this mixture can separate using a magnet. The next question. Magnets attract some metals and not others. Pick the metals that are attracted to a magnet. Copper, non-magnetic material, it will not be attracted to a magnet. Steel, magnetic material, it will be attracted to a magnet. Iron, magnetic material. Aluminium, non-magnetic. nickel, magnetic material, brass, non-magnetic. Here is a pencil. Complete the table to show which parts of the pencil are electrical conductors and which are electrical insulators. Tick the correct column for each part of the pencil. Electrical conductor means that electricity can travel through it, while electrical insulator means electricity cannot travel through it. So metal is an electrical conductor, rubber is electrical insulator, wood electrical insulator. What could you do to an iron gate to protect it from this gas in the air? This gas means oxygen. When oxygen meets iron in the presence of water, iron will rust. So what we can do to prevent iron from rusting, we will cover it with zinc. Zinc is a non-rusting material. So the answer will be cover it with zinc. Suggest one material which could be used for the wire inside these electrical plugs. What type of material we use to make wires? Copper. Explain why. Because copper is an electrical conductor. Or because copper is a good conductor of electricity. Because copper is a good conductor of electricity. Use one word to complete the sentence below. People often wear rubber boots when they use electrical tools. This is because rubber is a good electrical insulator. Gravity tests which objects are attracted to a magnet. For each object, put a tick in the box showing whether it is attracted to the magnet or not. The first one has been done for you. Iron nail, iron, magnetic material attracted to a magnet. Piece of paper, non-magnetic material, not attracted to a magnet. Plastic spoon, plastic, non-magnetic material, not attracted to magnet. Steel paper clip, magnetic material, so it will be attracted to magnet. Here is an investigation. Sam and Emily are experimenting to find the best material for building bridge. They measure the strength of the materials by hanging weights in a bag from each material as shown in the diagram. The results are shown in the table. Here we have different types of material, and for each material the mass supported by it. Copper 25 grams, metal 150 grams, plastic 95 grams, pin card 5 grams, wood 65 grams. Before they started the test, Emily said that the metal would be the strongest. What is the statement called? before they started the test means that there is no observation and no conclusion. So this statement called prediction. Name two things they could do to make their test fair. So let's see first, what is the factor they changed in the investigation? They changed the type of materials. They used different types of materials. So the rest of the factors should be kept the same to make my test fair. So what I could do to make my test fair, I should use the same thickness of materials and I should use the same size of weights inside the bag. So the answer will be same thickness of material and same size of weights. Exploring magnetism. Sarah ties a paperclip to a piece of thread. She sticks the thread to the table. She holds a magnet above the paperclip. Draw an arrow on the picture below to show the direction of the magnetic force acting on the paperclip. Now the paperclip is attracted to the magnet, so the direction of the pulling force will be upward. So the force, the magnetic force, will be upward. What will happen to the paperclip when Sarah left the magnet away? When she left the magnet away, there will be no force to pull the paperclip up, so the paperclip will fall down. So the answer will be that the paperclip will fall down. It will fall down. Sarah repeats her experiment using different objects instead of the paperclip. Which of the following will act in the same way as the paperclip? Tick one box. Aluminium foil. Aluminium is non-magnetic material. Plastic pin lead. Plastic is a non-magnetic material. Steel pen. It is a magnetic material, so it will be attracted to a magnet. A hair dryer uses electricity to make heat and to move the fan. Suggest one material that the cover of the plug should be made from. It should be made from plastic. Explain why. Because plastic is an insulator of electricity. Because magnets are useful for picking up some materials. Iron is magnetic. What does this mean? Tick one box. Iron attracts iron. Iron attracts plastic. Magnets attract iron. Magnet attract metal. Magnet attract iron. This means that the iron is magnetic. holds a magnet near a nail. The magnet attracts the nail. Name one metal the nail could be made from. Any magnetic material means iron, steel, cobalt, nickel. So the answer will be, for example, iron. Shirts can be made from synthetic or naturally occurring materials. Synthetic means man-made material. Naturally occurring materials means natural material. Which shirt is made from a naturally occurring material? Tick the correct box. Rayon is a man-made. Nylon, man-made. Polyester, man-made. Cotton, natural material. Question B. The table shows some materials found in Mr. Pato's house. Pick the materials which came from living things. This is a repeated question. Wood, made from living things, silk, and wool. Vikram sorts these materials into two groups. A. Glass mirror, chalk. B. C. Bottle cork. D. Gold ring. E. Wool jumper. Write the letters in the correct box. Which of them is shiny and which of them is dull? Shiny will be glass mirror, A, and gold ring, D. A and D. Dull will be chalk, B, bottle cork, C, and wool jumper, E. So dull will be B and C and E. Take one other property of gold. Stretchy, runny, hard, smelly. Gold is hard. Why does a metal spoon get hot if it is used to stir a hot mixture? Pick one box. Metal is a hard material. Metal is a poor insulator of heat. Poor insulator means conductor. Metal is a poor conductor of heat. Poor conductor means insulated. Metal always gets hot in a mixture. The answer will be that metal is a poor insulator of heat. It means that metal is conductor of heat. The children are cooking rice in boiling water. They choose this saucepan. Underline two properties of metal which make it a good material to use for the pan. I use it for cooking, so it should be conducts heat. Metal is a conductor of heat, and waterproof, as we are putting water inside it. Why is the handle made of plastic? Because plastic is an insulator of heat. Because plastic is an insulator of heat.